Hi guys, and welcome to MCR. Today we're going to be doing an experiment. I've seen this loads of times on YouTube, so it's nothing new. We're going to be doing an experiment on Mentos and with Coke, and also we're going to be using Pepsi Max to see which one works out better, whether it's going to be the Coke or whether it's going to be the Pepsi Max. I'm going to be doing it with my son as well, so you'll see him as well. We'll just get set up and then we'll get on with it. Right, so here we go. We're going to be using the Pepsi Max now to do the experiment. Got our Mentos. There's our Pepsi Max there. So, here we go.
You need to have a lot of space around you. Not inside the house, just outside.
Yeah. Right, here we go. Do you want to hold on to the Mentos for me?
Yeah.
Should we get this open? Yeah, should we get it open?
Yeah? No!
Right, wait.
We're not going to eat it. We're going to...
Right, do you want to move out of the way then?
Move outside. Sit here.
Go drop it in. Right, we ready?
Yeah. Ready.
Out of the way. Out of the way. Out of the way. Ready? Right, so that didn't work as well as I wanted it to, but that could have been my fault. I might have fastened the lid a little bit too much. We'll try the Coke. I won't fasten the lid on that, I'll just drop it straight in and we'll see what happens with that. Right, so come on, let's get prepared for that. So we're going to be trying the Coke now. So again, we've got the Mentos, we've got the Coke. On this one, I'm going to leave the lid off when I put the Mentos in, but I'm actually going to try 2 Mentos on this one and see what explosion happens there. Thank you for trying to open it. Here we go. Just get 2 of these out and ready. Hang on. Do you want to hold on to them for me? Right, out of the way. Move out of the way. You as well. Move out of the way. Back a little further. Right, here we go.
Right, okay. Whoa! That was better.
Alright, so there we go. I'm not sure which one was better, to be fair, whether it was the Pepsi Max or it was the actual Coke. There wasn't that much in them, I don't think. Difference on that. Wasn't as big or great explosion as I expected or wanted. But it was still pretty cool. So what did you think about it, boys?
I think when you leave the lid on the Pepsi Max, it didn't quite get the lid off. So I thought, so maybe the Coke makes the best explosion.
Yeah.
Because it never stopped.
Yeah, so you think the Coke was better than the Pepsi Max?
Yeah.
What are you doing? So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon on the bottom and that will make sure you get all notifications for any videos we put on. Yeah.
No!
By all means, try it yourself, see what results you get. Post them on YouTube, let me know if you do, and I'll have a look at them. Cheers, thanks, bye.